Hello everyone, welcome to our Alibaba online show. I'm Lily. This is 9 o'clock at evening, so we will introduce our company in our workshop showroom. Yes, we are Liaocheng Foster Laser Science and Technology Company Limited. And today we will introduce our factory and our product for our customers. And we have a special greeting for our customers, so follow us and you will get it. So if you have any questions, welcome to inquiry on Alibaba for us. And now I'm going to introduce our factory to our customers around the world, a better understanding of our factory. Yes, this is our workshop showroom. Yes, we are Foster Laser Science and Technology Company Limited. Our company is a professional manufacturer of laser engraving cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine, and laser marking machine for 12 years. Since 2004, our Foster Laser focused on the development and product of various types of laser engraving, cutting, and marking machine with advanced management, strong research strengths, and globalization strategy. And our Foster Laser makes the more perfect products, sales and service system in China and around the world, make the world's breed in the laser industry. Yes, our Foster Laser Tenet with the make the import high quality and high reputation, and take the continuous development as our policy. And we regard customers as our center and double win with our customers. Yes, so our Foster Laser established the we can provide our best service and the high quality laser machines for our customers. Yes. So furthermore, our Foster Laser pay much attention to the after sales service. Yes, the good service and the good quality is the same important things for Foster Laser. So we will try our best to provide the high quality laser machines and give our customers a better service. Yes, so we know our Foster Laser is a professional manufacturer. Yes, we are a laser equipment supplier. So welcome to cooperation with our company. Yes, so the next part for our Foster Laser. Our Foster Laser. Yes, this is the showroom, and the outside is our workshop. Yes, our workshop working area is the 3,000 square millimeters. Yes, and the laser machine of our customers are produced on here. Yes, so our Foster Laser for exported machine, we start exported machine from 2013. Yes, we have the more than 7 years for exported experience for the machine. So we have many customers, and we have the machine agent. They are come from all over the world. Yes, such as the United States and Russia and Mexico and Brazil and Europe and other countries. Yes, welcome to cooperation with our customers, and we will provide the high quality laser machine and the best service for you. And our Foster Laser have the Three types laser motion. Yes, we have the CO2 laser engraving cutting motion. This type's motion can engraving and cutting the non-metal materials. And we have the fiber laser cutting motion. For the fiber laser cutting motion, we can cutting the metal materials. It can cut the stainless steel, aluminum, and carbon steel and other metals. Yes. So you just tell us what is your requirement, and then the salesman will introduce this machine for you. So we know our first laser have 7 years for exporting the machine, and so our first laser has for 12 years for produce the laser machine. So our first laser is a bigger family. Yes, we have more than 60 people in our workshop. So for they working very hard to produce the laser machines for our customers. So for our first laser people, yes, we have the we have the full team. Yes, for our first laser person. Yes, we have the new product technician, and we also have the make the laser machines people, and we also have the salesman for the laser machine. Yes, so our salesman will talk about our customers. Yes, then they will provide the professional advice for our customers. So you just tell us your requirement, and our salesman will give you the best suggestion, yes, for you. And then they will introduce this type of machine for you. And also our factory can also test your materials for you, and can take the video for you. And the most and the important the people, yes, the after sales people. Yes, we have the after sales people for provide the service for our customers. So if you bought our first laser machine, we can provide the machine use video and the software install video, and the machine video. Yes. So when you receive the machine, if you have any question, yes, you can send us a message, and you can make a phone call, and you can the video call, and send the email for us, and then we will provide the service for you. Yes, so our first laser, yes, is a big family. Yes, we will try our best to give our customers high quality laser machines and the best service for our customers. Yes, so for our first laser machine, yes, we have many certificates for our machines. Yes, we have the CE certificate, and we have the ISO, SSG, and SGS the certificate. Yes, so if you need our certificate, we can provide the certificate for you. So for custom, yes, our we have many certificates for our customers. Yes, we will show you. Yes, we can see this is the CE certificate. Yes, CE certificate. We can see this is the information. Yes, there have the chairs and the website and the other information. Yes, this CE certificate, we can see this is our factory company. Yes, our company name. Yes, Liaocheng First Laser Science and Technology Company Limited. Yes, we can see this is a date. Yes, and the CE certificate. For the CE certificate, we have this is our laser machine model. Yes, there have many models. Yes, so the CE certificate. Yes, if you are a Europe, the countries, we can provide this for the customer clearance for you. Hello. Hello. Yes, this is certificates. Yes. If you have any questions, welcome to inquiry on Alibaba for us, and then our salesman will provide the service for you. Yeah. So the next, this is our first laser from the Alibaba.com. Yes, we can see. Yes, this is the SGS certificate. Yes, we are the Gold Plus supplier certificate. Yes, for Alibaba. Yes, so our factory have many certificates. Yes, and the CE, the ISO, and the SGS, and for custom the clearance. If you want to other certificate, you can tell us, and we will check it, and we will try my best to provide this certificate for you. Yes, such as the CO and Form A and Form F and the special the cyber certificate and the other certificate, and just you tell us. Yes, so this is our factory's certificate. So for the next part, yes. Yes, for the next part, yes, so for the next part, yes, this is our first laser company. Yes, we can see this is our company name. And, for this, if you have any questions, you can talk to us. You can send the message for us, and we are manufacturers for laser machines. We have many types of laser machine. Yes, so if you're interested, our first laser and the laser machine, you can get a catalog. Yes, our main product in the catalog. Yes, so if you like our first laser, you can give a good luck for us. And please follow us, and you will get a special coupons. Yes, so we exported the machine have more than 7 years for our first laser. Yes, we have many customers from all over the world. So we have the export information. Yeah, this is our exported information of our country. So we can see this is the exported orders of Alibaba. Yes, and we have the higher than other laser machine supplier. Yes. So we have many customers from all over the world. Yes, the Russian and the Thailand and the Brazil and the US, Mexico, and the Italy and the Canada and the other countries. Yes. So this is the transaction details. Yes, we can see this is our customers. Yes, they bought our laser machines. Yes. Yes, just a moment. Our customer have a question. How can I get the coupons? Yes. How can I get a coupons? Yes. You're welcome to inquiry on Alibaba for us. Yes. On Alibaba, we have a special coupons for you, and you can talk about our salesman. Yes, and then they will introduce the coupons for you. Yes. So you can send the message for us. Yes, thank you. So today we will introduce one types of laser machine. Yes. Yes, so we have we have many customers from all over the world, and our customers give our good luck for us. Yes, we have this kitty board. So we can see this is the 5-star likes. Yes, for the supplier service and on-time shipping. Yes, for our shipping. Yes, we can send the laser machines to your country. Yes, so the product quality. Yes, there is 5 stars. Yes, our customers give the good like for our laser machine. Yes, we can see this is Australia customers give the good luck. Yes, give the 5 stars for us. Yes. Yes, so from my best contact, the sales were most helpful. Yes, I did take some time on my part, going through the options and finally having a system customized to suit my requirement. The goods were very packaged in a creative for transport. Although I have not yet commissioned the machine as it will be installed in a confined work area and enclosed. I must acknowledge Miss Alina Xing, yes, for her, and Penny's with me, yes. So the next customer from the United States, yes, they also give a highlight, yes, for us, yeah, great service and trustworthy will definitely buy again. Yes, yes, our customers give our good likes for our laser machines and our salesmen. Yes, so so the next and today we will mainly introduce one type of laser machine. Yes, the laser cutting machine. Yes, today we will mainly introduce the laser marking machine. Yes, for the laser marking machine, yes, we have many types for laser marking machine. Yes, we have the first we have the fiber laser cutting machine. Yes, this fiber laser cutting machine mainly marking the metal and some plastic materials, yes, such as the gold, the silver, and the stainless steel, aluminum, and the copper, and the brass, and other metal materials. So if you are interested this type's laser machine, you can tell us, you can send the message for us, and then we will introduce this machine for you. Yes, the second laser marking machine is the CO2 laser marking machine. Yes, just a moment. Yes. Do you export it to? Just a moment. Yes. So the second laser machine The second laser marking machine is the CO2 laser marking machine. Yes, this CO2 laser marking machine can marking the non-metal materials. Yes, they can marking the wood, acrylic, glass, and the copper and the plastic. Yes. So if you want to marking the non-metal materials, you can choose the CO2 laser engraving, CO2 laser marking machine. Yes. Yes. Do you export it to molten? No. Yes, we can. We can ship the machine to this country. Yes, and we can ship the machine by sea to your country. Yes, you just tell us which seaport nearest for you, and we will check the shipping cost for you. Yes, so you just tell us what is your seaport. Yes. Yes. So the last laser marking machine. Yes, this is the UV laser marking machine. Yes, this is the UV laser marking machine. Yeah, for the UV laser marking machine, it can marking the metal and non-metal materials. This UV laser marking machine is a special laser marking machine. Yes, it have the good effect for the materials. Yes, the material will smooth and no touch for our for our materials. Yes, so it can marking the metal and non-metal materials. So if you interested our laser marking machine, yes, you can send our message. So for the today we will mainly to introduce the laser marking machine. Yes. So the next part is our colleague Alina will introduce the laser marking machine, the detailed the configuration. Yes, welcome to Alina.
Hello.
Yes. Hello, Alina. Yes. You will introduce the laser marking machine, the configuration for our customers, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you,
thanks.
my colleague. Hello, everyone. I'm Alina. Now I will introduce our laser marking machine. It's about five marking machine. The first one is the radio frequency marking machine. The second one is the mini fiber marking machine. The third is the split the fiber marking machine. And it is the UV marking machine. And that is the CO2 big surface marking machine. But now I will mainly introduce this one. This split fiber marking machine. Then now I will one by one to introduce. Come here. This is the radio frequency marking machine. It's the galvanometer. And here is the field length. Yes, it's the working area of the different materials. There are the 100 millimeter and 10 millimeters and 200 millimeters and 300 millimeters, and it's up to you to choose different field lengths. That is a ruler. If you want to change the height, you can remove the wheel, such as wait a minute. It's remove the height. One question. Oh, wait a minute. can this machine cut braids? This machine mainly cut the main. It can if you want to deeper ingression, it can use this fiber marking machine. If you want to cut the breast, you can use the fiber marking machine. Cutting. Oh, fiber cutting machine. Okay. Sorry. If you want to cut the breast, you can use the fiber cutting machine. This machine, it can marking the non-metal materials, such as the acrylic, wood, and used for the arts and crafts. It's very convenient to you to choose the different materials, and it can put the computer. It's the switch, the mainboard switch, and the galvanometer switch, and the laser switch. It can contact the USB interface. Thus, it is the cabinet, the radio frequency. It's very big. And this one is mini fiber marking machine. It's very small. It can save the space on shipment. It can marking the metal and non-metal materials, such as the silver, gold, and brass, and stainless steel. It's very mini, right? It's very small. It can convenient for shipment. It's very good if you want to choose a small machine. And it's the big. It's the I will mentally to introduce this machine. It's the split fiber marking machine. It can contact the computer, and it's the galvanometer. The brand is Sino. This brand is very famous in China and around the world. And Finland, you can choose the OPEX. Under the working area, there I have the 110 millimeters, 200 and 300 millimeter. It's the workable, and you can move the heat. It's up and down. You can remove the wheel, and you can see it's his switch. It's mainboard switch. It's a mirror switch and a laser switch, and the laser source. You can choose the Recast and Max and the GPT. And so many, the brand is very famous in China and around the world. Wait a minute. How much? How much is this machine? Okay. This machine, there are the 20 power watts and 3 watts and 30 watts and the 50 watts and 100 watts. There are different powers. You choose different powers and the price is different. And you can see the email or welcome to your inquiry to Alibaba. We will give you the lowest price and the best the quality. Thank you for your question, friend. And here. Here is the rotary. If you want to marking the cup, you can use this one. It can marking the rude shapes materials. It's very good parts. It's a fiber laser marking machine. The bread laser source is a Recast Max GPT. And the marking rulers and the rotation hodl. It's about 3 to 550 millimeters the height. It's a famous bread field mirror and the galvanometer. The galvanometer, the bread is the signal. It's very famous in China and around the world. It's a rotation. It can marking the caps and the rings and the pen. It's up and down. It's it's very convenient for you to marking different shapes materials. And we use the EZCD, the control card, and we use the GCZ mainboard, and suppose the Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and suppose the 32-bit and 64 bits. It's a double red dot. It's a very high precision. If you want to marking materials, you can use it. This double red light, it can position the materials. And it's the simple, it's the different steps of the marking machine. It's a mini fiber marking machine. It's a sublet fiber marking machine and a cabinet and a closed the marking machine. Here is the tourist box. It's a U-disc and tours. It's a margin, a switch foot, lens, power lens. It's a lens of the switch foot. A ground line. It's a ruler. You can change the height. Use this ruler. It's very convenient for you. One question, wait a minute. Is the rotating device suitable for marking caps? Yes, it can marking caps. This one, it can marking caps. It's the cap rotations. Okay. Okay. Continue. Okay. Okay, it's a symbol. It can marking caps. Cap. It's you can touch it. It's very good. It's a fiber marking machine marking the split steel materials. It's a fish. It's very beautiful. And the next one is a UV marking machine. They are the power have the 3 watts, 5 watts, and 8 watts and 10 watts. It can marking the metal and the non-metal materials, and the glasses and the crystal. The glasses and the crystal, the materials and so on materials is very special. And the type of this machine is the cabinet. It can put the computer on here, and it can contact the water chiller. On the 3 watt and the 5 watt, it is the cooling system is air cooling. The air cooling system. It's the water cooling system. It can contact the water chiller. It's very special. If you want to use the ink laser source, it can use the air cooling. There are the 3 watt and 5 watt. It's very special. Another. And the last one is the CO2, the big surface marking machine. It's very big. It can marking the jeans, the toys, and so many clothes materials. The surface is very big. You can marking the paper cut, and so many big materials, and you can see it's a high precision. This one we ready to ship this one. Then maybe tomorrow we will see our customers. It's very good. It's different. It's very big. Thank you for listening. Next, my colleague will test this machine. Thank you. This is our colleague Alan.
Hello, friends. I'm your best friend, Alan. Okay, our colleague Annika introduced the machine about the famous parts and UV marking machine and fiber cutting fiber marking machine and frequency marking machine. Okay, now. Okay, sorry, our customer have a question. Can it cut paper? Which machine? Okay, this frequency marking machine can cut paper. This machine can cut paper. If you want to cut paper, you can use this machine or this machine. Or this machine. This machine, the area is so large. It's so large. Okay. Okay, the next important thing is our technician will test this machine one by one. And friends, if you have many pictures, you can leave your message to me or our colleague. Okay, next, our colleague will collect this machine, and you can see the part inside. Okay, if you want to turn off the machine from right to left, the first close the leader switch and then close the vibrating message switch and the last mainboard switch. And if you want to turn on the machine from the left to right, okay, now let's split. Okay, this is our total. This is our total. We use this total to split this machine. Let's see the inside part. Okay, now let's split this machine. Okay, split from processing. After a few minutes, we can see this machine inside. And we can see the part about which brand. Okay, you can see it's very easy to supply this machine. And this machine is supplied fiber marking machine. You can use this machine marking most metal. Okay, then the shared screen has been off. Okay, one of the most important thing is how to get our coupons. Okay, you can follow us. You can follow us and leave your message. And leave your message. You can send a message to my colleague or our friend, and we can send you the details. And you can collect the catalog. We have lots of machines in our factory. And don't forget to give me a like, because it's 9 o'clock. Okay, you can give me a like. And if you want to buy this machine, you can use this coupons. Okay, let's see this machine. I will be already split. Okay, turn on the case. You can see the inside. Okay, it's very clearly about this part. Okay, everybody, this is this machine inside. As you can see, this is GCZ control board. This is GCZ control board. Okay. This is this three parts. All of this is switch. And you can see the behind of this machine. Okay. Okay, you can see this laser source. This laser source is Rickert. It's Rickert. And you can see the model. You can see the model. And you can see the model. Okay, behind our machine is okay, this is behind our laser marking machine. And you can see the power switch. You can see the power switch and the USB. You can connect the computer. And this is rotate. You can connect the rotate if you want to marking the camera or running. And this is fault switch. You can connect the fault switch. This is fault switch. You can connect this here, this wire. Okay, it's very convenient to marking so many materials. Yes, it's so easy to connect. And this one is our power supply. Okay, the last installed this machine. Okay, the next our technician will test this frequency machine. Okay, our friends, if you have many pictures want to marking, you can send a review message to me or our friend. We can send you the free samples. Friends, if you want to buy this machine, you can send me the picture. I can marking the free samples. You can see the perfect. Okay, wait for a few minutes. We will connect the power. This machine is frequency marking machine. Okay, let's contact the computer. As you can see, we can use computer, put the computer here. And this is computer case. You can put the computer case. As you can see, we can connect the USB, connect the computer. Okay, turn on the machine from the left to right, one by one. Okay, wait for a minute. Friend, if you want to marking the test the samples, you can send me the picture. And this machine is air cooling, not use the water cooling. It's very convenient. Use the air cooling. And this is our galvanometer. This is our logo, First Leisure. Okay, the next turn on the computer. Hello friend, you can see this machine also the fiber marking machine. This is also the fiber marking machine. And the marking perfect is the same. The marking perfect is the same. Okay, adjust the fucking. Okay, the first thing is adjust the focus. If you don't adjust the focus, you don't use this machine. Okay, our technician is adjusting the focus. Okay. One customer have a question. What's the working area? Okay, this working area is 110. Okay, the next LED. Adjust the focus again. Okay, let's find some pictures. This is our first laser logo. The next time I will test this logo. And this material is wood. As Alina said, this frequency marking machine can marking most of no metals, such as wood and acrylic and lots of no metals materials. Okay, adjust the date. Adjust the speed and the power percent. Okay, you can see the light. You can see the red light. Okay, let's start marking this logo. As you can see, the marking speed is very fast. When we marking, there are a lot of smoke, and you can see the perfect. You can see this logo. The test is very beautiful. The test is very beautiful. Okay, the next material is stainless steel, and the also same logo. First layer. Okay, there are no perfect. As you can see, there is no view. So this machine, if you want to marking stainless steel, you don't use this machine. There are no view in the materials. You can see there is no view. There's no picture. So if you want to marking stainless steel, don't use this machine. Okay, thanks. Welcome to see my living room. If you are interested in this machine, you can send a message to me or our colleague, and our colleague will give you some coupons. And this material is acrylic. You can see there's a wheel, so the acrylic can be marked. Acrylic is also no metal materials. No metal materials. Okay, you can see this picture. Okay, if you want to marking the acrylic, this is very perfect. This is very perfect. And the wood is very perfect too. Friends, if you have a picture want to mark it, you can send it to me or our colleague. We will test the sample to you. We will test the sample to you. And if you want to buy this machine, we can send it to you the free samples. Okay, the next material is we want to marking the aluminum with a black surface. As the simple logo. The picture is the same. We want the next material we want to marking the aluminum with the black surface. And this machine also can connect the exhaust fan and the rotary. Okay, you can see the adjust the data again. This material is aluminum with the black surface. And it also can marking the aluminum with the black surface, but it's not perfect. Okay, you can see it's not perfect. It's not perfect. So if you want to marking the aluminum, there's no need to use this machine. And if you want to marking the stainless steel, and it's also no need. There's no perfect. So this machine can only marking no metal materials such as the wood and acrylic and most of plastic. Okay, the next we will test this machine. So let's turn off this machine. If you want to turn off this machine, remember to turn the right to left. Okay, the first one, the second one, and the last one. And the last one is power switch. Okay, this machine is successful turned off. Okay, the next we will test this fiber marking machine. And this is also fiber marking machine. You can see the different. This machine is bigger. And this machine is small. This is our mini fiber marking machine. If you want to buy this machine, we can send it to you by DHL or Express. Okay, we will mark the symbol as the same logo. It's also our logo. Okay, friend, you can see this total is our focus length. You can adjust the focus. If you receive the machine, you can use the same focus length to adjust the focus. You can adjust. Okay, the next we will test this fiber marking machine. And the material is aluminum. Oh, sorry, it's stainless steel. This material is stainless steel. We will mark the simple logo. Okay, this machine you can see the perfect. It can mark the stainless steel. When marked finished, we will see the view. Okay, marked finished. Let's see this picture. Okay, can you see clearly? It's very perfect. Okay, the next material is wood. This is fiber marking machine. No effect. You can see no effect in marking wood. So this machine fiber marking machine can't mark the wood. If you want to mark the wood, you don't use this machine. You can use the frequency marking machine. You can see there's no view, no effect. You can see this material. This material is aluminum with a black surface. Okay, it's perfect. You can see the effect. Can you see clearly? It's very perfect. And the marking speed is very fast. Okay, you can see the effect. This is our first laser, first logo. It's very perfect. This material is aluminum with a black surface. Okay, the last material is acrylic. We will test these materials. As you can see, there is no effect. As you can see, there is no effect. So if you want to mark the acrylic, don't use this machine. There is no effect. So this machine can only mark the metal, most of metal and the rest of no metal. Such as the metal is stainless steel and aluminum with a black surface. Okay, the next we will test the last machine. The last machine is UV marking machine. You can see this machine. This is UV marking machine. We will test a lot of materials. You can see the effect. The material is the same and our logo is same. This is wood. This is stainless steel. This is aluminum with a black surface. And this is acrylic. This is acrylic. The next we will test these symbols. Okay, turn on the computer and connect the USB. As you can see, this machine uses the water chiller. And you can see the temperature. It's 25. 25 temperature. And we have another machine about this UV marking machine is use air cooled. This is water cooled. Use the water chiller. Okay, our customers have a question about can it cut metal? Okay, no, this fiber marking machine can't cut metal. If you want to cut metal, you can use the fiber cutting machine. You can use fiber cutting machine to cut metal. This material can only mark on the most of metal and about no metal. And some no metal. Okay, adjust the focus again about this UV marking machine. And the first material is wood. The first material is wood. Let's test first. Let's see whether it affects adjust the area and some date. and then find a computer picture about our logo. Okay, the same logo. Our company's logo first layer. And then we will test the wood. Let's see the effect. This is UV marking machine. And the material is wood. The next time, let's see whether this material affect. Okay, it's successfully. This material is wood, and this machine is UV marking machine. 3 watts. This machine about 3 watts. And the layer source is Ingu. Okay, you can see there's a lot of smoke. It has been finished. Wait for a minute. Friends, if you want to mark some picture or materials, you can send them to me or our colleague. We will test to free. And we can send you the free samples. Okay, marked again. Okay, marking finished. Let's see it very clearly. So this machine can mark the wood. This material is wood. You can mark the wood. Okay, the next material is aluminum with a black surface. Let's mark again. It's also our logo. This UV marking machine can mark the most of the materials, but no metal or metals. Okay, marked finished. Let's see the effect. Okay, it's very perfect. It's very perfect. Not only we can mark the wood and aluminum with a black surface. Okay, one question with our customers. But can it engrave stainless steel? Yes, it can engrave. The next material is stainless steel. This material is stainless steel. You can see the effect. This UV marking machine can mark the most of materials, but no metal or metals. Okay, marked finished. Let's see the effect. Can you see clearly? It's very perfect. Okay, the next material is acrylic. And you can see it's also perfect. You can see the effect. This material is acrylic. In the last, we will compare this material and this machine. You can see the difference. Almost finished. Okay, let's see the effect. It's very good. It's very good. Okay, the last time. These materials, as you can see, these materials about UV marking machine. Let's put here. Okay, this material is fiber marking machine. And you can see this material is frequency laser marking machine. Let's compare with this machine and these materials. You can see the difference. As you can see, the frequency machine can mark the acrylic and the wood. And the stainless steel and the aluminum is not perfect and not perfect. And this where is fiber marking machine. You can see now counter marked the acrylic and the wood, but can mark the stainless steel and the aluminum. As you can see, this area is UV marking machine. As you can see, most of materials can be marked, but stainless steel, wood, acrylic, and aluminum. Okay, everybody, our living room has been finished. Okay. If you want to buy this machine, we can send you the discount and follow us and give me a like. And also you can leave your message. You can send your message to me or our colleague. Also, you can collect the catalog about your interesting machine. And this time we introduced this machine, frequency marking machine, and fiber marking machine, mini fiber marking machine, supplied fiber marking machine, and UV marking machine. And the next time we will introduce our factory. And our colleague will tell you about this factory's the details. Okay, welcome to join us. Thank you. Bye.